Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another hilarious comedy compilation for you guys. Watch it to the end and you're gonna laugh out loud. Honestly, if you don't watch it to the end, you're not gonna enjoy this comedy. Just watch it to the end and don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification bell icon, and also like this video. Share it to all your social media platforms. Alright guys, without wasting any of your time, let's quickly dive into this comedy.
Excuse me, Mr. Dino. I'd like to ask you, what do you do for a living?
I'm a dry cleaner.
And how do you make your money?
Through dry cleaning.
Through dry cleaning?
We dey wash clothes.
Now I beg. Now for dry cleaning, they make that come on. I know they beat us for me. I know they tell me that you.
Hey bro, calm down now. You just a shout. You know my brother. Don't worry, I'll show you the way.
Now my Bini brothers I go come before I call you your love.
Follow me.
Updates, yeah. Oh yeah, baby.
Now we don't get now more than 30 minutes now. Many customers don't come. You tell me to say they make your money.
You do the rush. Customer don't come.
I want to see how they are going.
You know, I don't have more than 3K to pay for that cloth too.
Okay, don't worry, they go. I trust your clothes. What do you mean? You see how?
Oh, this is how he gets his money. Hey, see arrow.
Blood of Jesus! You know, I tell you.
Everybody go price Benz tonight.
Touchdown Bini boys gang money at them.
Enjoyment everywhere now they have made money. Let's see how they are doing.
Jesus! Imagine Jesus. That's how I die, you.
Solo. Heaven. Oh, let's see the next comedy, Jadrolita. Let's see this one from Malls. I am Malls. I think this is going to make you laugh out loud by spotting. Let's see how.
Oh,
What?
use your head now.
Which one be use my head? You don't know what to carry us come here. Concentrate. Watch. Come. You don't go inside.
Okay, now go bring the phone now.
Hey, wait. Calm down. Man, go bring the phone.
Okay.
The worst thing is that we always fall victim. Not victim, we always get caught. And let me start there.
Babe, how far now?
Look at this small boy, are you okay?
Me small boy, okay, you go. Fear my return.
Rikini, where are you returning from?
No.
That was he actually said the return of
Juju be that.
I'll be like, oh no, actually effort. How would you allow that small girl to be the driver?
You know what? You don't
Sit down and watch this.
Oh, baby. Oh, chicky.
Laugh.
Don't go with me. Take it. Pull it. Okay, you get chase. Now 1,000 they with me. Wow, baby, take a look at me. Watch out,
I will try as much as possible not to laugh. Honestly, let's go. If you laugh,
Beauty, how are you?
Hi.
How you doing, fine girl?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Toniela.
I'm Abraham.
Okay.
What are you doing here?
I'm waiting for someone.
Someone? Okay, let's go somewhere. I don't know if you are free. Can we go, please?
Yeah, I'm free.
Okay. Up in.
Don't be my girl, they can't get go so. Today, they can't get my girl.
I just stop and not stop. I search not stand under the horse.
I been follow the motor. They collect my girl.
why is he winding his hand? This comedy is funny. This is extremely hilarious.
See, get when I can't come. You don't carry the girl. They don't talk as if I don't make small money. When I go to
Calm down.
Give me my food.
Give me which food?
Give me my food.
Calm down. You want your better motor? Calm down.
Come on, give me my food. I didn't see I say, I shall go there you are. See, I'm not supposed to pay you. Now you made it time I get.
No, I say no more stuff for the husband. Don't wait for you now.
I try as much not to
Why
laugh.
you like a small boy?
I be small boy. As a matter of fact, my mama send me message. I be small pikin. Let me make a go. You dey delay me.
See you enjoy me. I'll give you money. Why you doing like this?
No, I enjoy.
I'll give you money.
I don't want your money.
I'll give you money. Come now.
But I make a go.
Come now. Stop acting like a child. Enter here.
And I say,
What is that?
One shot, two shots. Wisdom. Yeah? Jesus! 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 Jesus!
The Bible called them the wicked ones.
I don't die.
I swear. Who is it that said that want to go?
straight out of the oven.
It is like the small pikin. If from your network going bad, if you see fight, women that woman fight. I not green. I pray my green with Chris.
You want to sleep?
Is it not you that made the network bad?
Oga Landlord, the reason why we call for this meeting is because of this new tenant here. Ever since he came into this compound, our husband no dey fit focus again.
I beg, why not people? I don't understand.
Oga Landlord, what is there not to understand? Oh, yeah, tell her to stand up.
Stand up.
Jesus! Ashewo! That's how I and my husband was going to church on Sunday.
What is preventing you guys to stop?
What are you looking at? See my head.
But baby, I told you I was sorry. The brake failed. Why would you think I was looking at Nyash?
Which brake failed? I saw you were looking at Nyash. Same with me, oh.
Supermarket. Eh?
You never see
She just wants to.
See my hand.
Jesus. You listen, I finger this into you. Why the bandage reach your elbow?
Is that all what you have to say? Because
I'm
of
not
that.
money.
Me, my husband was blind, though.
I beg, why not people?
Boy, if you say you want soji, if you say you get strength, I don't know.
Landlord, miracle na bad thing.
If I like Nyash, look at my face.
Hello, good day. I heard there's a vacant house here for rent.
I'm the landlord. There's no vacancy.
Okay.
Yeah!
Jesus! What is the impact of Nyash?
Come back. I'll pack out for you to pack in.
Stop, Joe. You're going to ruin my hair.
Hey, babe. That stuff say we're going to contribute money and get. There is time. We'll bring your own.
Babe, I don't have money.
But babe, when you agreed that we're going to drain money to get this thing now, only me not be chasing. So why are you doing like this now?
I know. I told you I was going to contribute, but I don't have.
Babe, you don't have money.
I don't have. Jesus!
Everybody right now! Hey! Bring all the valuables you have in this house. Please, don't have one, please. I will give you everything you want, please. How much is inside?
Post now 5 million.
Next! Oh, are you? Don't touch my woman, please, eh? I'm giving you everything we have, please. She does not have any money.
Go to trust woman.
I swear to God, I don't have any money.
Alpha. Blow.
No. I have my phone.
They are open.
How much is there?
Post now 15 million.
15 meters.
I swear.
Blood of Jesus. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Yeah. Hey, what's going on here? I'm not doing business with you guys.
So you planned all this from the beginning?
I didn't know you would tell me you don't have money. So I just had to be sure.
Babe!
So how much are you contributing?
She's in a play. Now why we dey call am?
That is a fine play there. Some guests deserve this. I know. A lot of them deserve this. How would you say you don't have money?
Slowly. Accelerate. Yeah, you're doing well.
I'm trying. I'm still scared.
This is your 4th time driving. You shouldn't be scared. You are still owing us balance. When are you paying?
Actually, I don't have the cash now, but
I can pay.
Yeah.
A green light be that. You better collect this opportunity, chop and claim out. Carry and go house, go knock.
Child of God, for once in your life, listen to me. Nothing green for there. Leave and make you dey go.
Even Bible says in Genesis 1:31, sex is part of creation. Knock, carry and go house.
Child of God, no carry am.
Carry and go house.
No carry am.
Normally, I don't do this. But you know what? Just find somewhere park mode one sharp, okay? Hey! Take your right.
They were even talking about taking her home.
Hello? Stop calling me! After all, you're the one that made me do it. Where you there?
Park under this place. That is not a coded place.
Can you just imagine? It was one spiritualist that I went to her for prayers, and she said that she writes the names of 7 people that are doing me and burn them, and which I did. After that time, the police has been chasing me, army everywhere. I don't know why they are calling me up and down.
Well, you know to go up and park here.
Okay.
People know they come this area that we would do a sharp.
Waiting them they talk, not even concern this one. Now we have to park knack, not be problem.
I hope you have CD.
CD, 1 for every day, 2 on Sundays.
Now doctor prescription.
Ross, you now pass.
I don't have time. Let me knock.
Come on, baby.
Let me knock before I go.
I've told you to stop calling me for crying out loud. You're the one that made me to do it. Babu, wait till I talk with that.
Speak aloud.
I think go beg you too because now me they go slap me.
Speak up.
You have to be police on me if you wish. You made me do it.
1 second.
It's you.
Hello, stop calling her.
Give it to me.
You don't know why it's going on.
Yes, hello. This is Inspector Akbaja speaking. Who am I on?
My name is Mr. Doyin Pami. I am the CEO of Hunofi Driving School. Please, you need to arrest that woman there. This young lady didn't do anything.
Yes.
I was there. I saw her burn it.
You were there.
I was there.
All right, where are you exactly?
No, baby, don't kill him.
Don't worry. I will stand by you.
Oh, nobody has ever fought like this for me before.
Number 17. Please come to number 17.
Baby, this is the book where I wrote the names of the 7 people.
How can you be law-abiding and you stood there and watch her burn 7 people to ashes? You're welcome, my dear.
Now the 7 people you born.
I don't die, my friends.
Born boy.
Baby, wait, I can explain.
Behave yourself.
So, my dear,
Eka Rosa.
thank you for being a law-abiding citizen.
Eka son.
And the information you have provided are going to be quite useful. My man will be with you shortly.
Okay, now, I'll see you in my next class.
Where you they go? My friend, come again. This are the
Why are you already giving your location? Look at.
Wait. Excuse me, sir. Not arrest. Okay, where is she? Now she be that. Wait. I can explain. You said you were there. I was not there. I thought you were there. I check the record. I'm not there. Okay, don't worry. When you get to Crity, you will explain. Move it. What have I done?
Oh, you don't know what you have done. Very soon, you know what you have done.
I did.
You called me.
Yeah, I've been trying to reach you since. I beg, my bro. I urgently need 10K from you.
Look at your chain of bling blings and you're begging me money.
Nah, lie. You like this. You need 10K.
How do you expect me to believe?
You believe me now? Uncle, I beg.
I did merchant.
Correct Aboki on this one.
Hello, beautiful angel. What a beautiful, darling, lovely angel doing on the street. Lonely I did talk. When we. Kai. Lonely I did talk. When we.
Tu vois ici? Je comprends pas. Tu connais? C'est qui ce gars-là? Regarde comment il est. Vilain comme ça là. Oh, c'est pas possible. C'est à l'église. On voit n'importe quoi ici.
If I say this one, nobody ready to take. Nonsense. God punish love. Love your mama if you hear me.
Love your mama.
The Bible says, don't forget, our treasure is in heaven. Go heaven. Go, they pick your treasure. Go. Yeah, I won't do this side. See whether I pick anything, even if not be treasure. Oh, God.
Oh, God, they come now. Are they road that they come? Are they bring your loud? With loud. Don't be loud. Don't be ordinary cigar. Make a test and first. Make a see how we they be.
Don't
You're not
do
risky,
this.
even if I know they smoke before. Man, just check out this one.
Don't do this.
How you call her sins? I don't even know where they from. Where am I allowed? Which kind of rubbish be this now?
Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it.
Like, how come the bicycle is moving all alone, all by itself, and right now she's at the front? How?
My pikin.
Ah, Papa. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon. I beg you submit this boy.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Oh, Ben Jotter. I sabi am.
And Jotter. Them say this boy, now him be the person where be said they bring all the music for people when the thing don't expire.
Not true, not true.
You sabi me?
No, Papa.
Hi! They're not sabi my bedroom again.
How many of you remember this guy?
Okay. Then they call me that time Nash boy. But now, I'm Nash man. Now maybe person was sing if you not be like Babu, you go to love me like this. Oh, my Cinderella.
Oh, Papa. I remember him. I thought I'd be the player that time.
This is my own, I go get a better percentage. Because that time, I've been good dance.
Papa, sorry.
No. Now my style with that one. Okay, make we go now. Papa. If you not be like Babu, you go feel love me like this.
What is not going on for like?
Why do you eat me like that now?
You did it first.
Now, well, ordinary. Come on, let's go, Joe.
You just put me water now.
It's a mistake, sorry. Maybe what's doing you, Save? I don't know. Every time she. Jesus!
Yes, no.
Wicked boy.
Sorry. Don't cry. Ah, some girls are like this anyway. You dare not see them.
Bassi.
I eventually passed the ball and his spirit actually collected the ball.
Omo, na penalty o. Farouk.
Kekere, make I run now.
Calm down now, Connie.
Make I run now.
Don't worry now. You know, see, I mean, they carry Champions League for us now. I'm all about
They even play for pass Messi.
I think he go lose the penalty.
For yeah, he go score that.
Chemo bet.
500.
Oh yeah, what's your
English or Spanish?
Got something in your nose, sniffing that cake. Did you feel the hole?
You don't make the man lose in bet.
I mean, number 7. I should keep back.
Hey, who goes you?
I don't go. No worry. I don't want goes you.
It's God be for me. Who goes that man?
Nobody goes that man.
Like me now, guys. My favorite color is black.
Okay.
Me, my favorite color is red.
My own is white.
Okay.
My own is pink.
Pink
is my favorite color.
Hey! Why are you gay?
Why you go like pink color?
Who carry my pad now?
Jesus.
See people I didn't talk to. I don't like this scene. Who carry my pad?
I've been a game pad. Go game pad.
Because he said love pink color. That's the way they are saying.
Fine, but
Jesus.
see I find this morning.
Let's have it.
I mean pink, like pink now.
Gay is gay.
What were they thinking? Like, oh.
Jesus!
Olu Papa.
What is it? I don't think he may carry me along.
When you dey waka for road, now so you dey command respect. People they see you they wrong. That man see you wrong. We don't reach you again. You dey command respect for road. Papa, I won't join you.
Hey yo, calm down. You be my man, chi. I don't feel lose guard you. The street today, the street is not friendly. You can't do things and things so that people gonna give your maximum regard. Calm down.
I won't join street. I won't join street.
You won't join? Come on, bring you on board.
Hey, I won't be board member.
No, Alana, nothing be the thing. Come. Today go solve.
Hey, carry me. Some people they fear me too.
Great are we? Are we? Great are we? Are we? So you want to join us?
Yes, I won't join.
Hope so your mind day.
Yeah, I carry my mind, come.
Very good. So which of us want making drill you? Man drill you?
No, God forbid.
Man drill you?
No.
Make a drill you?
No. Make my man drill me.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Jesus!
Go down.
What's going on here?
Buy first. You want?
My guy, how come all of them own small, your own big?
Don't worry, go down.
Your own too big, then their own small. What now? Your own too...
You will be my guy, you will be my guy. Now you beat me the hardest. See, Baba, no the cry like small king. You don't join a we. Now man you be now. See, I drill you high so that you could get mind. And the harder your mind, the higher your rank. Hey, man, I tell you, as you do like this now, assurance cover you. Anyway, they just get any challenge, just holla a we. Men go lap for you.
Now lie.
You did that me.
Nah, great are we?
Now we any second three.
No challenge you, I just say my test them. They work.
No Hey you, that's what we do. We got each other back.
You walk.
Man. Who they go? You think they walk?
Okay, you don't know where I be. Come on. I don't join no. You don't know if I call my man, street go scatter. Come on, move right. Come on, move this. Great are we?
Jesus!
Hey, no, be that we. No, we be children of God though. Are we? Not be who be are we? Yes, now are we now? Are we enter his name in my heart? Are we enter his body?
We will handicap.
Are we say this is the day that the Lord has made? Are we just for he got me?
My friend, they go, move this guy.
Are we? Are we? Blood.
Law.
God, have mercy upon us.
Come on, mama.
Prison is yours. Prison is your new home. Go and sleep in the prison. Let's see this one from SK and you're gonna laugh.
What's going on here?
That guy has done something crazy.
I just say come. If you not go, no. Wait till I explain to me. Where the money? Where the money?
I don't see my phone.
You don't know say your phone they read. Person they all credit. See they keep money. See they put for silence. I be how? Which calm down?
Oh, Billy.
Which calm down? You know me that was I take on the way for you. They find up and down. You off your phone. I be silence your phone. I don't just want to bring the money. The money don't even pass. Don't pass 3 days. You don't pass 3 days. Don't pass. It is saying that now other day I tell Waka come. I mean what? Now help you as a brother.
You hear me for this? If you talk like this.
Oh, now they shout.
Your voice.
That's so yeah. When you go collect money, nobody here. Now say now you just go inside them. I don't go anywhere. Let's get bring money for you. No. Just give me the money. Man, they go. If you don't want quarter, bring the money.
No,
you don't hold waiting.
I'm just grasping.
Go there, go outside.
I want money for the POS. I want money for you. I want money for you. You see money for my house. You're gonna stop, man.
They shout for me. With the help I had for you, they shout for me. Let me just say to the help person, you know, make sense. To the help brother, no help. Now, as a brother,
that calm down now.
You want my job on the line. They tell me, say, my brother. More they go. I can't go front. What can I follow you?
Man, look together. You know how to rub together.
God have mercy upon us.
I'm my own senior sister. This person is my senior sister. Borrow money for me. First time for me. Now you want to give me problem. You date never have expire. When I take borrow money, you don't give me problem. No problem.
Why you need nobody help you? I'm there for you. I said I'm there for you.
When my papa school do something, now they children go school. You and the children go school and finish school now. Now you be senior person for the family. You know what help anybody. Money when you borrow from me now. As you just borrow money from me now, so now problem you won't go give me. How much be the money? 1.5 million. Now you not fit pay.
1.5 million, I pay for you. 1.5 million.
Baba, now that thing we will talk, now carry me come. I want to know whether you go feel come more money from me. At least you might pay 15,000.
Okay. He will tell him before I better.
Baba, I'm talking to you now. Baba, good morning, no.
Hey, my son, you're welcome. Okay, get out of here. Hey, my son, sit down. My son, no mind that. Now one beggar like that.
Okay, no problem. Baba, now business transaction carry me come here. You get person where they owe me.
So how many millions involved?
Millions, ke? Baba, not be millions, so.
Oh, not billions. Okay, how many billions?
Baba, na 5,000 naira. So, Baba, I want to know what we go do.
What you want go do? I think there when you not do the business.
Baba, help me.
Okay, get out of here before I strike you.
This Baba won't get
Let me go back inside. Take me, cannot stay in the house.
Okay. Before they talk now, what's going to happen?
What's the worst?
Jesus.
This is where you go left in my mind. That is why the elder sister never want to carry or never want to allow someone to follow them.
Pio? You can't wish.
Let her come.
Uncle, I want popcorn. To buy what?
Because he doesn't understand how this beauty there behaves.
I want 3.
You are a thief.
Okay, let me buy juice for me.
You are a thief. See people.
We'll stop and buy fried rice.
Some of you are just evil.
Water.
Some of you are worse than Hitler.
Mommy, see you.
Hey! I hear me to me, by me.
So your mission is for you to spoil. Your mission is to spoil everything we want to do now. Just tell us.
How can this guy be?
For the boys, I'm took it from 0 to a million and catch it.
Thank you.
Oga me, my Oga beg, you no go spoil that shit.
Try and be your own, no go spoil now.
Show me love, Oga beg.
Go find work, go. Your thank God say now this 1,000 them and I'm sorry I forgive you.
Oga me, thank you.
I don't tire, beggar. No. Good day. Not be you I give money over 1 hour ago, I be 2 hours ago just now. So.
Na me.
Why they beg now?
Don't shout beggar. Everybody get their own hustle. Me, I get my hustle, you get your own.
My brother, it doesn't affect you, the beggar. You never feel fat like this that time. But now you don't dress, don't sweet, oh boy. Which work you they do if you don't get money be like this?
Rain they fall, get what?
My brother, forget that rain. That rain said they beat me. So if you say that clear, they tell they talk to you for inside rain. Oh boy, now for over 7 years I don't they work now. I never figure that money. This one I come by for you. I know what it take me to figure that out. Show me the car you carry now. See car.
Bro, make I show you.
Show me way. Take my small thing just now.
Let's have it.
It go better when my own beggar have rank.
You tell mommy everything you saw. So don't tell her the one you don't see because the one I saw is from the one you see.
You
so
finally join you begging.
Come here.
Okay. Let me not say anything. Let me keep watching.
Good afternoon. How are you?
What's your name?
My name is Bobo.
Yeah, you stay around.
Yeah.
I like it for your number.
No. I'm missing we shall be giving out number to strangers. So.
Who is he?
It's my older brother.
I'm my elder brother. I seen you with 10 years. The time they bomb me in Health Free Hospital, all those nurses that were now.
Shut up, man!
I should have seen you. Wait. Come on. Is it because I'm I see I with 10 good.
Double slap.
Thank you.
Double ranking of slap.
What's going on here?
Up you know they go.
What's going on here?
Who are you? And why those people trying to kill me?
See, just calm down. You see, me and those people, all of us, we came from the future.
This is playing.
And the reason why those people want to eliminate you is because you eliminated their entire community.
You come for future.
Yes, now. They can't send me say make I come protect your younger self, because now you be our leader for future.
How will you do this one?
But what will make me to eliminate?
Am I watching The Mummy? This seems to me like The Mummy. Bad zombie.
No!
Don't worry, you're safe now. I think I can't go out.
Wait! You have not still told me what will make me to destroy an entire community just like that. I'm not that kind of person.
Don't worry, you go find out later. Make I not to mess with the timeline. Headquarters 1234. Agent Westside reporting. Take me to 2099. Option I no chop my pound.
This is playing.
Oh, you are still the same. Even in 2099, they drag it forever.
Oh boy, you too sweet, oh. Hey! Eh? You just don't know tie this guy for round 2.
I swear. So you go find out later. We can look to mess with the timeline.
Breaking news. A zombie virus outbreak sweeps Nigeria, plunging the nation into apocalyptic chaos in a global
Who's that?
That is the darkest of angels. The 5th rider of the apocalypse.
Baddest and now you remember what they told you, that you be the one to destroy full community. Oh, it is what your eyes see that will make you know what you are going to do now. Since they were telling you, you never know.
Babe. See that girl? See the way her cleavage is out, and she's putting on short skirts.
Shut up!
What's your business now? You call is your cleavage not everywhere?
My boobs is big now.
I even tie scarf and come outside. Ha! Please select something, let's go, Joe.
Babe?
What?
See that girl over there? That's what she's wearing. Her boobs are all out like a shadow sale market.
Babe, what's your business now? Are you not exposing your boobs and cleavages are all showing outside now?
It's different.
But what about you?
She looks so classless. Who wears a hoop earring with a scarf?
Mind your business. Let's shop and get out of here.
Oh, this girl's trying to behave like. Let's see how you do.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oh my god, I love you bad.
Thank you.
You're scared.
Thank you.
And I love your skin.
Hold up. I love your scarf.
Thank you.
And I really love your top.
Oh, beauty.
Definitely tell me where you got it from, okay?
I will.
What's all you do for you?
Every day of your life, use a 10 hours to fear women.
Women.
Action! No. You cannot be my wife and others will be talking about your waist.
The laughing actor. Like
That talk like funny me. What's funny? Besides, he's supposed to be an Onowu in this movie. Why is he laughing? Are you the one directing this set?
Director.
The young guy now. 3, 2, 1, and action! That is final, and that is why my Onowu is here.
they actually asking some people that can laugh on set.
We're coming at you now.
Like on serious actor on set. The way they behave.
I'm a young guy, which I'm young now.
What's funny?
This movie go blow. I swear this movie go blow. This movie no blow. Give me. Sorry. What is wrong with you? When they inside the film like this, I don't need to laugh. Just imagine people will go watch her for house. But how person go live big house like this? So this is my new wife. This part will change her.
Drink anything. You took happy pills.
Come on. I'll be happy person. No.
Your happiness will ruin your career. I said that your happiness will ruin your career.
I did.
Pick up.
3, 2, 1, and action.
That's my decision. She is my new wife.
My darling, like I said earlier, it is a joke. Why not? Like a joke that would never be possible. Why is it a joke? Excuse you, Mrs. Bongafish. I've not gotten to you.
But you know, I'm not allowed. You know, they call her like her name now. They call her Bonga. They call you Bonga. They call you Bonga. Bonga.
During the making of this film, I mean,
one of the scripts that you had that I swear in the act.
during the making of this comedy, it is very difficult to successfully carry out the action.
Let's
all of them
let's end this one.
laughing.
There's a one we can do without tomorrow we'll continue.
We'll continue
Tomorrow we'll continue for somebody else. We'll try this set again. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let's call it a wrap. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Baba, to all of us, I greet you, leader. I mean, my balance when I go out. Is it? That is the balance.
Very good.
Not only that, my balance. Wait, you don't feel everything. Now this movie funny.
When I don't do so, they laugh. You know what pay me? They don't pay now.
Now he knows where he is. This is just the right thing they should. This is the You have seen what is laughter, and has gotten you into big trouble. Nonsense. I'm serious actor.
So are you okay?
Yes, I am.
This is very much unlike you. Usually when I come back, you meet me by the car, you open the door, you give me a hug and then a peg and then you grab my bag. And we walk upstairs together, you take my heart, you put it on your head. When we come to the room, you will unbutton my shirt and then you take it to the wardrobe.
Babe, I just said I am okay.
Who is in this house?
What do you mean?
Where is it hiding?
Oh God, man! Come on, why are you shouting? You're overreacting.
You think I'm overreacting?
Why are you yelling?
Tell him to come out at the count of...
Baby, there's nobody in this house.
1, 2, 3.
Did anybody come out? Did you see anybody? I don't know, like, did you have a bad day in work?
You forget I'm a military trained person. Let's do it the hard way.
Don't angry me.
Out of me and you, what go they grant?
Hey, baby. Let's have it.
My dad is even Kako.
Sorry for the laugh.
3 or 6 goat circle. So you were preparing to go this many rounds.
Yeah, I'm so sorry for coming late. I'm not like this. I swear to God, I'm not like this. Hey, the guy I'm teaching driving today, he's the one that delayed me. No, like he did not get it too. In fact, just between yesterday and today, he's already driving express. So I'm good in the work. It's just a little bit of traffic, but we are here now. Let's get it started. Okay, get the party started. Okay. Yes, I told you, it's still that 100,000 per day, right?
Yes.
Yeah, let's do it. So this driving thing, my Oga, is very easy. All you need to do, you see that your hand has to be on 10 and 2. Then your leg, are you listening? Yeah. Very important. Yeah. Your leg has to be on brake and accelerator. You get me? So your brake is going braking, accelerator, braking, accelerator. Because people in Lagos, they're crazy. You understand what I'm telling you now? Yeah. All right. So move it. Dissolve.
It's likely I would say.
No, you can do it. No, believe it. You can do it.
It's likely it's wicked. You have been saying all this, so you know the kind of person. How do you expect miracle to happen? Let's see this one from Carlo Pequeno. That is Ogara.
Hello, landlord, my man.
Who be this?
Landlord. Now your tenant, Powder.
Powder, the one where run come out from my house.
If you no want, make I swear for you.
Come this house, make tonight no meet you for my house. Come pack this dirty, come out from my house.
Okay. Landlord, which dirty they talk about?
You don't know the dirty why they talk?
Now your load.
Tenant when never paying rent, you no get load. Now dirty you get from my house.
Come pack this, come out from my house.
Make sure say tonight no meet you.
Landlord, no worry. I know what to be your problem.
How much be that your house? You don't get respect again, Abi.
Landlord, see, they come the Dreams Hotels.
But God meet you for where?
Landlord, they come the Dreams Hotel and Apartment.
What did they do for that side?
Come, we'll discuss this matter.
You think it's a joke?
Ready.
The Jagaban of the universe.
Come in.
You want joke with her?
This was another banter.
Landlord. Powder. Now come sit down for you. Sit down.
Where you thief money?
Sit down. Sit down for you. You don't believe I go make am.
You be mumu.
Nah, woman carry you can't keep here.
Which woman? Landlord. I won't pay you 10 years rent up front.
It's okay.
You mean am?
It is how they play. Your left phone. Put your account number here. Put your account. But wait, before you put your account, collect this money. Go buy me condom. Buy me condom. If you come, I transfer the money to you.
This thing done the entire insult.
You want your money, Abi no want them.
I want her.
Oh yeah, now go buy me the condom. If you come back, I'll transfer the money for you.
If I buy the condom, you go pay me 10 years rent.
Sharp.
It's okay.
It's actually going. There's money. There's power in money. You going to buy condom for your stupid tenant. The tenant that you've been calling stupid. Now you're the one buying condom for him to pa.
Wait now.
Make her enter now.
Where they go?
No, my love. No, my wife be that.
And so?
Who are you?
Where the condom?
Poor man will not believe saying go make her. If you make her, me get the way they behave. So you carry my wife.
Limau.
This is very annoying and wicked now. Maybe the landlord has been doing him shaggy. The landlord has shown that tenant shaggy. So the tenant has made a vow that if I blow, I will show this landlord shaggy. Now this is what he's doing to the landlord. I'm messy.
Wow. I like your cooking. You look at it, it smells nice. That's very good. Keep it up. Okay.
That dedication and blast.
Thank you. Father, thank you for the food today. In Jesus' name.
Amen. Jesus!
Jesus!
Hey, Mom, it's my chicken.
Jesus! What's going on here? What's going on?
Oh my God, Dad!
Rolex!
Wait, what has Rolex did? I mean, what has Rolex done?
Every man like get two
What did he
brain.
do?
This brain wey dey for your head here, and the one wey dey under your leg here, are the two brain wey man gets. And these two brains, they no fit work together. Anytime wey this one won't work, this one go shut down. Anytime wey this one won't work, this one go shut down.
Lucas, I don't understand this talk. What do you mean?
Make I give you example. That time when you go see man, you go come out, you go meet girl. Girl go tell am 500,000 before you go sleep with am. The man go gree. Which brain you think say dey work that time? Now this brain wey dey here dey work. Now why you go see the man that moment he go gree? You go dey tell the girl all sort of lie, all sort of lie. You go dey tell the girl say if say meet the girl if for no marry, the girl na all and all. Now this brain dey work. Once he just carry that girl reach where he dey go, once he don knack the girl, he don come. As he just dey come, this one now go shut down. This brain now go come begin work. That time now, to give that girl that money go dey hard am. You go dey regret why you carry the girl.
You go see now, you go come to give the girl attitude. The girl go to touch her. You go say, leave me. Can't you see I'm pressing my phone? You know, girl we no force am o. Innocent girl we no force am make carry am. You come begin give am attitude because that time this brain don shut down. This brain now don dey work.
You dey whine me.
Okay, so Rufus, how if you make this one and this one they work together?
Nothing for this life will make these two brains work together. These two brains be like Iraq and Iran. They go to fight war steady. They no fit ever work together. The question wey suppose even dey ask me now, as a man, which of this brain dey work more for you?
How much would you charge?
Mother, I don't charge anything. Just go. Do you have Indomie at home?
Yes, I have Indomie.
We are good to go.
Just Indomie.
Indomie and egg.
Only Indomie and egg.
I'm telling you.
We are good to go.
Do you have onions?
I have onions.
Fine boy. I would like you to be my sugar boy. I'll give you $1 million per night.
How we go? That money is huge, I swear. Come draw me like a goat. That's
I know you already know about the 300% bonus you get when you use my promo code FROSH300
like
to register on 1xBet. Every day you get chances to win prizes and free spins on the daily tournament. And every day you get a chance to win 200% bonus on your winnings on 1xBet. And on Friday and Wednesday you get 300 euros for your deposit for Lucky Friday and ×2 Wednesday promo. So register on 1xBet.
very, very fortunate for the owner of
and
the
win
song,
great
I
bonuses
swear.
every day.
Let me just tell you how we met her
also like
boyfriend.
a-
We went out clubbing. She was going mad drunk.
I wasn't mad drunk. Yeah, but I remember everything that happened. Yes, and you remember.
When you have that friends that always be in the room of women, always be in the company of women.
Romeo,
Always in the company of women.
can we talk outside?
Always in the compassion for the company.
Be careful, you might start acting like one of them, you know?
Oh shit! Bro, for
Let
this
me
man
say I
come,
didn't
nobody
see.
can bash my babe.
Okay.
Nobody.
Oh God.
Who be there, babe, sir? I'm gonna show you a picture.
I sabi am.
No be Cynthia be this.
Jesus. Jesus.
Na Cynthia be this.
Yeah, na Cynthia.
Where they stay for Mission Street.
Yes.
After roundabout, south.
Yes.
White House, Brown Gate, near Apostolic Church.
Yes.
She get benchmark for ya.
Yes. Jesus.
Hey, God. Bro. Oh, Cynthia. Oh, wait. Hey. Oh.
Hey, beautiful.
Who be this one?
I got money. I want to make you my short.
You say this money.
Yes.
You don't consign me. Mado.
She said I play.
Now who follow trend I they follow?
Come on, shorty. I didn't know you got it.
Crime girls go strap.
Just like that. Let's see this one. Come on, go.
I tell you, say they not they waste time. Now, one thing I tell like major link be that. Now they be the best when it comes to Bitcoin and gift card trading. Yes, now they get app now. The app there, Play Store and App Store now. Anyone if you download them. Oh yeah, now I tell you, say no waste time. Okay, shock you as a quick credit you. As you just send now your trade down with them, no waste time. Oh yeah, now no wahala, go download them. Oh yeah, now Esther, everywhere good. All right.
Okay. Are you in your wife's place or your girlfriend's?
Baby, the snake.
Snake.
Yes. It just ran into this place.
This place, eh?
Yes. Oh my God. Be fast.
Hope it is not live because Rukky will just kill you.
Shift. Yeah. Just somewhere. Yes, there. Yeah. Yes. Baby, check very well. It's a very big snake, and it's even green.
Oh.
But you have to go inside a little bit.
Alright, it's scam for me.
Baby, go inside now.
Go inside now. So if you walk in and you collect the wood, man, you enter inside now.
Simple.
So go inside.
You are the man now, the head of the family. You have to go inside a little.
So I'll be head of the family now. Sure?
Baby, if you don't kill this snake, I will not sleep in this house. Oh. Eh?
Now you know if you don't sleep.
You say you just house.
Yeah. And then no. It ran into this place. Baby, if you keep checking,
allow
you
me
not see this stuff. Go inside that place and kill this thing. Behave like a man. Go inside.
Hey, what are you doing now?
This is civil act.
So go inside now. Enter inside. Tell
This
the way
girl
now.
no
Enter
love
inside.
us,
I want to enter inside. Now maybe the man. Not be you
It's
be man.
obvious.
My man fits to die now.
I see the snake big. Baby, you need to kill this snake. Oh. Hey, check this side.
Stop pushing me, man.
You need to stand close. Stand close.
Come. It be like that way till they find you. It be like say you want many snake. Make us another two. You are relax. So it's like I play now. They play what they so.
Now the snake go find you. I mean, you go find the snake. The way you did, so you no go fit see her for there.
If you not said why they do so now, you hold the stick more. You can't find now.
I be woman. I no fit do am.
Alright. You are insane.
Check this other side.
Baby, behave like man.
Behave like man. Behave like man.
Oh Lord, here we dey go for this country. One bag of pure water, 500. One cup of garri, 200. True. Water don't pass garri. Oh. I pity for person when go marry 2 wives. You don't finish. If you wake up, means say first wife don't chop second wife picking.
Jesus.
Now hunger because the way I dey look people nowadays.
It's too much.
I don't think carnivorous human being.
That's the result of a bad upbringing. Very shameful thing. I trust my children, they can't do it. Only say where. Come on, my fabo, come on, moti, cigar. Not my household. You are pregnant. Is still your husband? Second. Okay. In fact, I moved here first of all, Sodipo. I want him to help me wash my car. Oh, okay. Sodipo, what about before? Jesus Christ! Hello, ma. What the fuck? See how you're wasting my grandchildren!
I thought you raised up a good child. But unfortunately, you caught him doing. Oh yeah, Soapy. That was hilarious from Moba. I think this lady is actually doing her best to come into limelight, and I think she's actually coming into this limelight with full alacrity. You need to see the way she's actually, acting a comedy, and a pattern is different. You can't see a pattern anywhere. I think this is one strategy that can make her go further. All right, guys, thanks for watching Crity React, and I hope you watch this video to the end, to this extent. And don't forget to like this video before you go, and subscribe if you've not. Turn on post notification bell icon and share it to all your social media platforms. All right, guys, we're going to be talking about few funny scenes in this comedy, that is review. Let's go. All right, guys, let me quickly talk about Madiba of comedy, yeah. This guy is actually hilarious, and as I was watching the comedy, I was thinking, I was thinking, how come he successfully acted this comedy? Like, how come he successfully acted the comedy without any interruption? Like, I was like imagining, how come? Because the way he was seen laughing in this video can also make the people who were acting it with him keep laughing without stopping. So thumbs up to the people and everyone out there who who was involved in the comedy video, like they actually did well. It's not easy because as he was laughing, I myself watching it was actually laughing hard. I was actually laughing hard. Thumbs up to Madiba. And the comment is actually hilarious. I didn't know it is this hilarious. I would have, placed it at the first of this compilation, honestly. All right, guys, what is your take and what is your review? What do you think about this? What is your favorite moment? What moment treated you the most in this comedy video? Let me see it in the comment section. Drop your comment and do not hesitate to like. Do not hesitate to like. Do not hesitate to like this video, please. And let's talk about Wheezy Wizzo. Wheezy is actually something else. At the time the comedy was about to become interesting, you make it seems as if our network is bad. Meanwhile, you were the one who caused it. Guys, what do you think? Do you think Wheezy didn't do anything in that video? Like he ran away, left the woman on the bed all by herself there without touching her? Do you think that? Because as Wheezy was running, coming out from the house, like I saw him like zip his trousers. That means something has happened. Something has happened, though. Don't let him deceive you that network is the one who caused it. At first, when I was watching, I was like tapping my phone. This phone now will be say comedy one sweet. Now my phone they F up. Never knew Wheezy is behind it. Oh my god, I think this comedy is hilarious. Hilarious. And if you fail to watch it, go back and watch. Just go back and watch. You will see it's very interesting and hilarious. So I also like this one where Loudy and this Dino Show God, Sunshine, so many of them were in this video, and you can see them like arguing about Nyash, different women talking about how their husband injured them because they were looking at Nyashina, Nyash, Nyashina, Nyash. Oh, it's hilarious, hilarious. And I believe you enjoyed this comedy. You enjoyed it. You can't tell me you didn't enjoy it. All right, guys, if you do, please subscribe, turn on post notification bell icon. We need more subscribers to grow in this channel. All right, guys, without further ado, we're going to see you guys in our next comedy compilation video. Have a wonderful time and peace out.